I have the Samsung Galaxy S23 and I'll be showing you how to uninstall edge panels. So go to settings. On the main settings page, go to display and then scroll down to edge panels and tap on that. And then go to panels. Now here, find the edge panels you personally installed, which the edge panels that did not come with the phone pre-installed. Like this one, for instance, is an edge panel that I installed. This one also I installed from the Samsung website. So what you need to do is on the panels page, just tap on the three dots in the top right corner and then select uninstall. And then it's going to list for you all the edge panels that you manually installed, the ones that did not come with the phone. And for instance, if you want to install this one, all you need to do is tap on this red minus icon here. Okay, tap on that, and then it's going to ask, do you want to uninstall this app? Tap OK, and uninstall that particular edge. Okay, and then now you can hit the back button, and now when you go to panels, you'll not see that specific edge panel. Now, of course, if you don't want to see any edge panel on your phone, you can always turn that feature off. Okay, you cannot uninstall the edge panels that came pre-installed on the phone. The only thing you can do is turn off the edge panel option, and now you'll not have the edge panel on the side of your phone. So that's basically how to uninstall edge panels on your Samsung Galaxy S23. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.